Good morning, dear students. Today in English grammar, we are going to study the last subunit or last part of pronouns. This is the last class of pronoun. Today we will study the last kind of pronoun. Nowadays, we are studying about the kinds of pronoun. Then I think that you are also studying and practicing very well. I hope that you are also coming with me to study English grammar and enhance your English efficiency. So, just watch part number 11. Today we will study the last kind of pronoun, possessive pronoun. Possessive. P-O-S-S-E. Double S-I-V-E. Possessive pronoun. Then what is the meaning of this pronoun? Or what is the meaning of the word possessive? Possessive indicates ownership. Ownership. Possessive indicate the ownership. Then I will write one example to you. This book is Hers. This is one example. This book is Hers. This book is Hers. Whose book? This is a question. W-H-O-S-E. Whose? Or who is the owner of this book? Who possesses the book? Who possesses the book? Whose book? Who is the owner of this book? We want an answer. The answer is this book is Hers. And here whose book? This book is Hers. Hers indicates a girl. That words related to a girl. So who is the owner of this book? And she is the owner of the book. Is it clear? Who is the owner of this book? She is the owner of this book. We can write one more example. That house in corner is theirs. And there is that corner, the corner of that ground, there is a house. That house in that corner, whose house? Whose house? Or who is the owner of this house? Who is the owner of it? The owner of the house is theirs. Theirs. In these sentences, hers, theirs, that is a possessive pronoun in these sentences. Is it clear? In these sentences, hers and theirs are the possessive pronoun in these sentences. Is it simple? Then I will draw one table also for your key interest, which are the personal pronouns and which are their possessive pronouns. One side personal pronouns and other side we will write a possessive pronoun also. One side we can draw the two boxes. Here is a personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. And in this box, next box, we will write the possessive pronoun. Here is a possessive. Then first person I, we. They are the first persons are known as the first person. I, we. I, possessive form is mine. We, possessive form is ours. In singular case, we can use mine, and ours is used in plural. It's a singular and it is a plural. Okay, singular, plural. This is the first version. Expand patience. This is the first version. P-R-S-O-N. Okay. First version. We, I, we. This is a possessive form of this personal pronouns. This book is mine. Then I will write one example. This book is mine. This book is mine. Is it right or wrong, this sentence? This sentence is right or wrong? This sentence is wrong. Why? It is wrong. What is the correct use of this possessive pronoun? This book is mine. M-I-N-E. This is the correct usage. This book is mine. This book is mine. That is wrong. Okay. Then next is the second person. Which is the second person? You. You. Here is a yours. Y-O-U-R-S. Yours is a possessive pronoun. This money is yours. Okay. This money is yours. This money is your money. It is very important in your talking English also. This money or this book is yours, or this house is yours, or this classroom is yours, this towel is yours, this pen is yours. In this case, you, personal pronoun, and possessive form of this personal pronoun is yours. Okay. Second complete. The third person. Third person, he, she, then they. His, listen. He, his. She, his. They, theirs. Here, his, his are used as singular. He, she singular. They, plural. So, theirs also plural. Then one more personal pronoun also. Third form, it. It. But actually, the problem is that it has no possessive pronouns. It has no possessive pronouns. So, we will avoid it from this box. Okay. So, these are the personal pronouns. I, we, you, he, she, they. And these are the possessive pronouns. Mine, ours, yours, his, hers, and theirs. Here, this ours plural form and yours also both singular and plural. then theirs is also plural. The balance mine, then your, this his, hers, these are used in the form of with singular nouns. Then next I will write some example also after writing or after understanding the example. I think that you can easily understand what we are thinking about the possessive pronoun. Okay. My pen is not working. My pen is not working. Do you understand the meaning? Very simple. My pen is not working. Then what is the next step? We will ask one pen from any other friend or classmate. So how we can ask that my pen is not working? Give me. We are asking the pen to others. Give me yours. Okay. My pen is not working. Give me yours. Here, who is the owner of that pen? Now, who is the owner of that pen? Yours. Yours is the owner of that. We want a pen. And whose pen? Yours pen. Here, yours is known as the possessive pronoun in this sentence. My pen is not working. Give me yours. Next, the dog. Dog is a pet animal. The dog is yours. And whose dog? And who is the owner of this dog? You are the owner of this dog. Whose dog? Or who is the owner? Answer: you are the owner of this dog. The dog is yours. Here in this sentence, yours is the possessive pronoun. Okay. Then one more example. The money is really THEIRES. The money is really theirs. Question: whose money or who is the owner of the money? Owner of the money is theirs. So in this sentence, theirs is a possessive pronoun. The money is really theirs. The dog is yours. My pen is not working. Give me yours. In these sentences, mine, yours, ours. This classroom is ours. OURS, ours. So mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs are the possessive pronouns. It is also a personal pronoun, but actually it has no possessive pronoun. So if you study the possessive pronoun, we should avoid the it. Balance studies, balance other pronouns I, we, you, he, she, and they. They are the personal pronouns. And their possessive pronouns. What is the possessive pronoun of I? Mine, M-I-N-E. Mine is the possessive pronoun of I. Then next is we. We, ours. Then you, yours. He, his. She, hers. They, theirs. So these are the important points about the possessive pronoun. You will get some home assignment or homework, practice work, and you should do that work also. And today is this is the last class of this lesson. lesson number 7 now almost finished, but the lesson is not finished. Only the lesson finished, but our studies, our learning, that will never ends. You can study more and more about the pronouns by using good English grammar books and do the more and more practices to enhance your grammar knowledge. And by this way, I think that after few months you will be able to or efficient to speak in and write the English language. So thanks to all for watching the video. Do the work properly in your home. Don't waste your time. Your time is precious during this COVID-19, and it is only remedy. It is only solution to study. Now you are safe in your home and study with all subject. Don't vacate. Don't avoid your study, and you stay with your studies. Stay with the safe in your home. Stay with the safe and stay with the studies. Okay, thanks a lot. God bless you.